I absolutely love teaching in every way. I've been teaching over 30 years and I would never choose another profession. I feel so fortunate that I found what I was destined to do early in my life, and now over 30 years later, I still love it. I love that I'm making a lifelong impact on my students.
My name's Shelby, and I know that teachers have always had a great impact on my life. One of those teachers was this year, Miss Joyner. Miss Joyner is so inspiring. Every day, she brings the energy to the classroom with dancing and fun. She makes every topic interesting, from reading, comprehension, to vocabulary, and even grammar. Miss Joyner has been one of the best teachers I've ever gotten to work with. She is kind and supportive, and she always makes sure every student gets what they need.
I love that teaching is really the parent of all other professions, because without teachers, the other professions would not have the knowledge that they have. And so I have truly loved my career. I would hope that other people would want to go into teaching in order to make a lifelong impact, to allow the students to influence their lives the way they've influenced mine, to be able to impart knowledge and to get students excited for their subject area is something that can never really be described. The joy that students have on their faces when they learn something is something that I will always treasure.
My name is Adam Wallace, and teachers have impacted my life in an amazing way. One of those is Miss Joyner. I was really excited to have Miss Joyner leading up to 8th grade because I heard so many wonderful things about her. Miss Joyner has really improved my writing abilities. She has taught me so much about grammar and other reading skills. I really love Miss Joyner's class because it brings lots of energy to the end of my day. She does lots of exciting activities and makes English so much fun.
So I would just like to encourage anyone who is thinking about going into teaching. Yes, there are challenging days, but there are so many more rewarding days that you'll forget about the challenges.